Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're spotlighting a compact yet efficient kitchen essential, the COMFEE EM720CPL-PMB Countertop Microwave Oven. If you're looking for a space-saving microwave that's affordable, reliable, and surprisingly feature-packed, this model is worth checking out. Let's start with the size at 0.7 cubic feet. This microwave is ideal for dorms, small kitchens, studio apartments, and even office break rooms. It's compact, but not limited. You can easily fit a standard dinner plate or a bowl of soup, and the rotating glass turntable ensures even heating every time. The design is sleek and modern, with a matte black finish that blends into any kitchen setup. Its digital control panel is clean and intuitive, with easy one-touch buttons that make reheating, defrosting, or cooking a breeze. Whether it's popcorn, a cup of coffee, or a frozen meal, just press a button and let it handle the rest. Now let's talk features. The sound on-off option is a surprisingly underrated touch, perfect for early mornings or late-night snacking when you don't want to wake anyone up with beeps and alerts. It's a thoughtful addition that gives you control over how the microwave interacts with your environment. There's also an eco mode, which allows you to reduce standby power usage. When the microwave is not in use, it conserves energy, a great bonus for eco-conscious users or anyone trying to save on the electric bill. Power-wise, you get 700 watts with 11 power levels, giving you flexibility to cook or reheat everything from delicate leftovers to frozen meals. And if you're in a rush, the Express Cook feature lets you tap any number from 1 to 6 to start an instant heat cycle in seconds. Defrost settings are another win. You can defrost by time or by weight, ensuring your frozen ingredients are evenly thawed and ready to go without overheating. Cleanup is just as easy. The interior surface wipes down quickly, and the removable turntable can be washed in the sink. To sum it up, the COMFEE EM720CPL-PMB microwave proves that small appliances can still deliver big functionality. With convenient one-touch operation, energy-saving features, and a sound-off mode, this microwave brings smart simplicity to your daily routine. Check out the link in the description for pricing and more details. If this video helped you find your next countertop companion, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more practical tech reviews only here on Gadgetverse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.